Welcome to part 4 of our setup introductory videos for security flow. In this section we're going to cover the security flows here and just the basics of it. There's a lot to the flows editor, but a real quick overview is that this is where you would define the use cases that you want to handle within the system. The plugin instances are incorporated into your flows here, and the plugins provide the nodes that are available for use within the flows. So for example, we have all of these plugins installed, and if I go to my flows right now, I could look for and filter by, say, a recorded future node. And I've got recorded future nodes right here. To start my process of building out a flow, I could drag in a recorded future node, double click on that node, and pick the details for what I want this node to do. I'm not going to go into that just yet. What I want to show is the status icon up here. What it's telling me is that I need to restart my flows for updates to take effect. And essentially what that is when you load a new, I'm going to leave this page because it's in the middle of editing, but I don't want to save it. When you've uploaded a new plugin or updated a plugin, the flows screen is going to end up telling you that there's a new update and you need to restart the system. So I can click that restart button, and before it does a restart, it's going to ask me if I want to do a forced restart or safely restart. A forced restart is just going to immediately restart our flows editor, and a safe restart is going to wait until all messages through our flows have either been saved off or have completed progressing through the flows. I generally recommend picking the safely restart option. A forced restart you can do if you're not worried about losing messages going through the flows. So I'm going to safely restart, and you'll see that it gives you a message indicating that it's queued for restarting. This restart process is happening in the background, and you'll see that there's a lost connection to our server because it's restarting right now, and as soon as that disappears, the system is back up and running. The editor itself also provides the ability to import some existing libraries of flows that we've predefined. We'll go through setting up a phishing sample in the next introductory video, but this is a quick overview of what you can do within the system, within the flows editor.